Hello everybody, I'm Avery. Welcome to the channel. I wanted to give a little update because I obviously haven't been up here in quite a while. So I do have some reasons for that, but ultimately, I could have got up here a little earlier to give y'all an update, but I just had a lot going on, life be what it be sometimes. One of the things is that my computer started messing up, and then that took me a good couple of weeks just to figure that out. I got a baby on the way, so I'm trying to get ready for that, messing with the nursery and stuff like that. Also had some stuff around the house that I had to get fixed. Ended up buying my own tractor trailer, and I decided to make a video channel, a YouTube channel for that. So that one's called Ravio Freight, in case any of you want to know about how my truck driving is going, anything like that. This in general, I had a lot of stuff going on, still do, and the baby is going to be here any day now, so still will end up a little scarce as far as making videos because I'm gonna end up having to take care of my wife and have to take care of the baby. So yeah, but hopefully from basically December on, I will do what I can to try to come out with a video every week from there and from there. But yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Also, I'm going to be changing YouTube tutorials to YT tutorials because it obviously got YouTube in the name, and I don't need YouTube basically coming at me one day saying, hey, change your name before legal actions may or may not have to you. Might as well go ahead and just switch it out before they say something. So there's that. Also, by the way, I have a website that you can check out, which is youtubetutorials.com, which is going to be changed to yttutorials.com. But for now, go to youtubetutorials.com if y'all want to see more of the blogs. I got recommendations that you might want to check out as well, as far as where to get assets and other things like that. So just building your brand, just point blank period, on YouTube. So yeah, definitely check that out. So with that being said, the last thing I got to say for this update is every week in December, I'm going to be shouting somebody out in a video, and the only requirements you have to do is, one, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. Make sure the channel you want shouted out is the one that you're leaving a comment on in the video, and that's it. So yeah, pretty self-explanatory. Self-explanatory? It's pretty simple, requirements. And basically it'll be something not too big, just something like between 5 to 15 seconds more than likely. I want to leave a shout out in this video. Shout out to Irrational Logic. They are a group of people that I know that just started their YouTube channel not too long ago, and they mainly talk about the Eagles. The Eagles was 8-0 until yesterday when they got their loss to the Commanders. So interested in what they got to say about that loss yesterday. But they lost to my favorite team, which is why I'm smiling today. I'll leave their handle in the description, and probably leave it in the comment section as well, in case y'all are also Eagle fans and y'all would like to hear somebody else talk about how great y'all are, I guess. So yeah, with that last thing being said, this is the end of the video. Hopefully y'all will check out some of my other videos I got. Be on the lookout for the next video that's coming out tomorrow. Thanks for watching.